Namaskaram. After the first struggle for independence in 1857, different socio-political organizations started coming up in various parts of India. These organizations were formed to take forward India's opinions and demand with the British government. Some of these organizations had also started revolting against the British government. Allan Octavian Hume, A.O. Hume, was a retired civil servant in British India. He wrote a confidential note to the British Parliament mentioning that the situation in India is developing as the situation before the French Revolution. He wrote that the people of India are calm and quiet, but overnight they could turn out as an army and there could be agitations across India. In such a situation, the British government may not be able to protect the lives of the Englishmen serving in India. So to control the agitators and also to mold them through the British definition of opposition, A.O. Hume, with the blessings from the Crown, founded International Congress in 1885. Britain was successful in making Congress parties operations in line with the English definitions. The three Congress presidents in the first 9 years were also Britishers. Slowly, Congress leaders got into the Western style of agitations. Means, if Britain intelligently show a moderate behavior towards Indians, Congress will advise people of India to support the government. Congress agitations those days were mere academic approach in nature. Most of them did not know much about India's past and its culture. They did not want any mass agitations. Congress believed that there is no alternative to the British rule. They were keen to maintain a good relationship with Britishers and get certain benefit from the bureaucracy through continuous request and appeal. The only expectations for Congress in those days were that the Britishers to rule India properly. Freedom from England was not in their agenda at all. This was the Congress till the radical leader Bal Gangadhar Tilak took control of the organization. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was the first Indian political leader who realized the power of the people. It was Tilak who started briefing people that English have come to India traveling 4,500 miles north to serve India. It was Tilak who brought the paradigm shift in Congress thinking for a complete freedom rather than a home rule under the British Crown. It was Tilak who converted Congress as an organization to achieve freedom. It was Tilak who converted Congress as a mass organization that is capable of carrying out direct actions and mass civil movements. It was Tilak who first brought the idea of civil disobedience, which Mahatma Ji implemented effectively later. It was Tilak who taught us the philosophic significance of freedom struggle. It was Tilak who converted India's fight for the freedom as an effort to realize her soul. Now let us look at the Congress party's situation today. Visibly lacking the ideological integrity. Even the supporters are unaware of the purpose of the organization. party has reduced to a group of gallery viewers. It has lost its ability to take up the real issues of people. Party's entire narratives are only around defaming Narendra Modi. It has become a party without even a full-time president. Party machineries are not even functioning in most of the states where Congress was in power for a long time. An average Congress leader is mentally detached from the party today because they are compelled to withhold the truth and operate. We have seen that in Article 370, CAA, Triple Talaq, and also in Ram Mandir. For the last 40 years, we know Congress party stand on Ram Mandir. All of a sudden, they wakes up and recognizes Ram as an icon of national integrity. People are confused with this party. Their own cadres are confused. Their allies are confused. Where is Rahul Gandhi these days? Why is he not active? Is he in India or abroad? No one knows. Yesterday, there was a plane crash in the very same place from where he was selected. Till this moment, he is silent. The idea of Congress was repurposed by Bal Gangadhar Tilak 100 years ago. Today, Congress needs a Tilak who can do that again for them. Definitely that is not Rahul Gandhi. Rahul is not fit for politics. There are other leaders in Congress, but the maximum that they can grow in Congress is up to one level below the Gandhi family. Unless Congress party comes out of the family business, its natural end is almost nearby. Thank you so much. Vande Mataram.